Greetings! In this video we're going to look at how to share a simple satellite loop. First of all, go to Google, type in RamMB slider. This is a fantastic viewer operated by RamMB and Syra, and it will immediately bring up a view of the GO-16 satellite view. In the left drop box you'll see the other satellites. It's now fully global. Himawari, GO-17 and GO-16 have the best imagery. Stick with GO-16 for this video. After waiting for it to load, you'll get something like this with the sun passing over and rising over South America, heading towards the USA. And I'm going to do a loop. I mean, you can go anywhere. It's all pretty epic stuff. Actually, that thunderstorm, never mind. I'll go for the dust coming off the Sahara. Now, if you're a cheapskate like me, you won't have the full version of Discord. If you're just with the default free version of Discord, then your limit is 8 megabytes. For that, I'd recommend reducing the window size of your browser to about a quarter of the screen if you have a 1080p screen, and then do a loop with the standard settings. Wait a little while for the loop to load. If you have really crappy internet like me, then it won't fully load, but don't worry. Once it looks like it's half decent, just scroll down in the left panel and get to download options. Click on download options, go to animated GIF, and then click on start download. It may take a while, but eventually you should get it. If you scroll down to a GIF, this is the GIF then of the dust loop, and it will give an estimate as to the size so you can see if you've gone over. And I have gone over, so unfortunately I'm going to have to reduce the size of the window to make it under 8 megabytes. Once you've got your GIF, I'm going to upload it to Discord right now and post it in the relevant section if you're on our Discord. Dust off Sahara for bid plus, and then find the GIF, which is in my case download, and upload. And there you have it. I look forward to seeing your loops. If you use this video and you find it helpful, please leave a comment.